Installing a GPU adapter. The GPU adapter replacement procedures for the SR850 V3 and SR850 V4 are identical. An SR850 V3 is used in this video for demonstration purposes. Align the GPU adapter with the slot on the riser card and then carefully press it straight into the slot until it is securely seated. Gently lift the PCIe retainer on the riser card and slide it to the locked position. Fasten the screw that secures the GPU adapter to the chassis. Connect the power cable to the GPU adapter. Reinstall the PCIe riser. Reinstall the rear top cover. Reinstall the front top cover.